So if your Honda TRX 450 won't start up, you can use this troubleshooting guide to trace and correct the problem. And by the way, this troubleshooting information is based on the factory repair manual. And speaking of the factory repair manual, you can download the repair manual for free instantly. Here's how to download the manual free of charge. Okay, so downloading a free repair manual is quick and easy if you follow the directions. Now, you need to go to the Google search box and type in the words buy backlinks. So we're in the Google search box. You're going to type in buy backlinks just like this, and then you're going to click on where it says Google search. Okay, so once you hit enter, you should see a list of websites. Okay, scroll down until you see the one that says buy backlinks. And it ends, you'll see it ends in CO, the letters CO. Now, if you don't see this website on the first page, it could be on the second page, so just go to the second page. But it could be anywhere on the first or second page. And then just click on the website. Okay, so once you get to the website, just scroll down and click on where it says buy backlinks. Okay, so once you click on where it said buy backlinks, it brings you to the repair manuals. And to find which repair manual you need, you can just hover the cursor over each manual to find the one you need. And then once you find the one you need, you can just right click on it and you can either download it or you can add it to your Google Drive if you have a Gmail account. If not, you can just download it and save it to your downloads folder or to your desktop, and you should be able to download it to a phone too. And that's pretty much it.